So, had some good food. That was Aloha Kitchen. Been going there since I moved to Vegas, so I've been going there for like the last 9 years. I got a couple of packages to open real quick. Now, I knew this one was coming. I actually knew both was coming. This one's from Mustache Dave. He has a cool mustache. That's pretty dope, Dave. If you didn't catch it, he was in a few vlogs back when he came to Vegas. I'll say last week? Oh. I thought there was gonna be like a list of people to get him. I know they wanted some to like Ellen, Joe, Mark, Cassie, Michelle, Nick. So I know he wanted those to go out there. So I'll make sure they go out. This next package. She hit me up on Instagram saying that she could send me some stuff, and I was like, okay, cool. The address is in my YouTube video's description, and so I thought she was gonna send us like a small package. Now, I don't drive, so I thought maybe it was a package I could stick in my backpack and just like, you know, travel home. But that wasn't the case. And I was looking at the address and I was like, what state is that? You live in Canada. Thank you. Thank you for sending this all the way from Canada. It cost you a pretty penny. That's a lot of money to spend just to send Teddy a little package. We're gonna open it. I'm gonna open it upside down so it doesn't show her address and all that. Now, I believe she said it was just like snacks. So, yeah. And I'm pretty sure in the message she said I could try them with Michelle. So if Michelle, if you're watching this, got a lot of snacks to try. Okay, this is a big box of snacks. Thank you, Lori, thank you so much, I appreciate it. That's a lot of stuff. So let's just show it off, yeah? Lay's ketchup chips. It's supposed to taste like ketchup. Now, Vegas Best Ideas gave us some chips that taste like ketchup. They weren't bad. So I'm kind of curious what these would taste like. And I wonder why we don't have these here in America. More ketchup chips. Okay, we have these here. I've actually never tried any of these, but I know I've seen these around. But it's cool, it's marble. Big Turk. Coffee Crisp. I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong. Karma Milk. Mars. So we did something a few years ago with a whole trying British candy, and their Mars bar tastes completely different. So I'm thinking this will taste different. Hickory Sticks. Stimulated flavored potato chip sticks. Stimulated. All dressed. I don't even know what the hell the other word is. Ass. I don't know. I just see the word ass in it. We have Smarties here, but the picture looks different. Coffee Crisp. Oh shit. Got some ears. Just in time for Easter. Oh, what? Another one. All right. I like the cap. Thank you. Canada in the house. Woo woo. Maynard's. More of the Kinder Surprise. Tim Horton coffee packs. I don't drink coffee, but pretty sure Michelle will like that. Oreo. Okay. Wonder Bar. Okay. I've never heard of Timbits. But it's by Tim Horton. It's not like isn't Tim Horton like a gas station place? Like a big store? But birthday cake flavored cereal. Now, I will probably really enjoy these because I've had birthday cake muffins. And that was really good. Oh, there's a card. I opened it upside down because I want to show the address. So I'll read that now. More grannies. Is this the butter? What is it different? Pecans. More cereal. I love the cereal. I will always eat cereal. It's a different language. So is this part of the Canada that speaks French? That's a lot of stuff. Ted, if this cheery little greeting adds some sunshine to your day, it's because that's what I wished for when I sent it on its way. That's what was written, like pre-written in the card. And then she wrote a note. Hope you enjoy some tasty treats from Canada. Your friend, Lori. Thank you, Lori. There's another note here. Oh. There was a toy in here. I just saw a big letter that said, don't eat the toy. Well, Lori, thank you very much. That'll be a separate video, of course, of trying the snacks. I'm about to hit up Michelle for some Canadian snacks. Thank you. I seriously appreciate this.